All right, guys, here we go. Just a quick little video regarding these small cap stocks that we have gone short on based on the techniques and the methodology that we teach in our latest course, Finding, Trading, and Profiting from Altcoins and Small Cap Stocks. And these were just put on yesterday. And in the course, we show you, how to find them, how to get the best ones, what to look for, so on and so forth. So we're going to take a look at a few of those that we recently, actually yesterday, got in on. And right here, as you can see, the first one, Hive. And what we're going to do is take our stop loss and bring it down under our little profit line here. And reason why we do that is that, well, number one, we go in whenever we make a trade. You obviously look for the right entry with the highest odds, highest probability of working. We show you all that in the course. Number two, we immediately put that stop loss in because that's, very important. We just don't want to hang out there, losing money on the trade, obviously. And then once we're in money, we go home with money. Okay. I don't care if it's $10 or $200. We're going to go home with money at the end of the day or end of the trade. And we'll just go maybe bar by bar as if this continues to come down, like over here, bar by bar, we would just lower our stop loss once we're in money. Okay. Let's go to the next one. See, we had our stop loss up here above the candle we got in on. Now we're a little bit in the money, so we're going to bring that down and give it a little room to work. But like I said, once we're in money, once we're in that casino and we have chips on the table, we're taking some chips home. Okay, we're not going to sit here and lose all of our chips and then some. Okay, and then here we go. This one worked out a little better. So far, as you can see, we put it, the candle we get in on, we put our stop loss above it. So obviously I'm going to bring this down and give it a little, room to play, but still protect what we're in on right now. And as you can see, we put our stop loss here above the candle that we got in on yesterday. So we're going to put it at the top of the candle that's playing out now. Okay, see how I did that? And the strategy and the techniques for getting in on these almost big coins on these stocks is all in the course. And then see this one right here. Even though I'm just barely up some, we're still gonna put our stop loss under it. Now ONDS, same real close right there. So I'm just gonna barely bring it down. Just right there, on top of it. I don't care if I walk away with, $10. I'm going to come home with money. And this one's doing pretty good here. Let me pull that in for you. See where we got in on this topping tail, extended above the 20, gave us high odds, high probability. We were going to profit from this trade. So I'm going to put it, lower it down to the top of that candle. And then right here, this one's working out so far. So good. So I'm going to go to the top of it. See, I bring it down to the top of that candle right there. This will move. Now we're underwater on this one right now. Okay. Yeah, I'm at a loss here on this one. So I'm going to bring that stop loss down even more. Okay. We got in on that previous candle because, well, I can't give you all the signals, but anyway, this was not working out. So we're going to bring that stop loss maybe even closer because, I don't want to lose too much here. Already down $50, but we want to, maintain that stop loss pretty close. Okay. And that's some of the things we go over as well is where to put that stop loss in and how to maintain your profit once you get it. Okay. Let's see, we're just going to stay right above. See how I'm bringing it right here, right above the wick of that candle. in case, it's coming into actually a little bit of support here with the 200 and the 20, and I don't want to lose very much profit on that. Okay. So let me show you something real quick. And that is, I wanted to show you the contents of the course, how to find, trade, and profit from the altcoins and the small cap stocks. And a lot of people think you can only have the big profits, the big runs, the big gains from altcoins. That's not true. We show you how to break down the small cap stocks, and really the stocks are more reliable and valid, as far as getting those profits, either to the upside or downside. Okay. But anyway, the introduction here and selecting altcoins, how to, pick the best, and then the small cap stocks and profit for those. And then also, finding those research strategies. And then we even give you some hints here, not financial advice, everything could go, to zero. And then we have, the top 15 survivable altcoins regarding the Clarity Act, the legal framework for the government, and so on and so forth. Research strategies for identifying promising small cap stocks. Okay, so you can find your own and do your own deal. Okay, and then we break down, the trading of the coins and the small cap stocks and how to get the biggest gains from them. And we help you set up your Coinbase, advanced chart and trading view chart, so on and so forth. And then risk management, which is the most important thing you saw earlier in the video, and how to enter, hold, and sell, your coins or the small cap stocks. Okay, I kind of showed you a little bit of that. The how to, knowing your entry, your exit, and trend signals, so on and so forth. Then in conclusion, we give you the checklist to go over. There's some other very, very interesting things you may want to delve into to help your progress in learning this sort of thing. And then, as a big thank you, you click this link, and basically we're going to hold your hand through all season. Okay, so through the end of the year, we're going to have a webinar each month, for your questions and concerns, things like that. And we're giving that as kind of a bonus thank you for investing in the course. And the link's below. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the charts.